Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the January 2023 Flavors of the Month kit. So this is the beginning of 2023. Can you believe it? So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team designs for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. You'll also have a color photograph so that you can see what the finished layout's going to look like. You also, as a subscriber, get access to a free exclusive cut file designed just for the Scrap Room. So this month is this awesome floral cupcake. So it's going to go great with a couple of these collections really well. So be sure to download all of your freebies. And this month, our 4 collections that we're going to look at is Bella Boulevard. I love our love song, so that's a great Valentine's Sweetheart collection. We have a winter collection from Echo Park called Snowed In, and then a really fun one from Photoplay Paper, and it's called Little Chef. And then our last collection is Pink Fresh Simply the Best. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kits. This collection is titled Our Love Song, and it's from Bella Boulevard. So it has that classic Bella Boulevard rainbow colors and the bright pinks and the reds, but you also get the whole rainbow here. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Crazy for You. It has all of the fun florals. The back is a red polka dot. This paper is called Love Notes, which is the rainbow striped. The back is Music Notes. This paper is You're a Dream, little white hearts on the black background. And the back is rainbows with the little clouds and the little hearts. Super cute. So you can scrapbook all kinds of fun memories with this. For your embellishments, they are going to vary, but you will get 2 white doilies. You're going to get a row of little sparkles, and then you're going to receive some of the ephemera pieces here. So they will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. There's several little flowers that you're going to see like in this paper, some words together. You could use that for a title and banners. Let's roll. So that is Our Love Song from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is Snowed In from Echo Park, and this is not only just a gorgeous collection in this dark navy blue with the light blue, but it's also cute and whimsical. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here, which is the beautiful florals and the snowflakes on that dark navy blue, a blue plaid on the back. This is called Snowflake Bundles. Then we have the 4x4 cut apart. So these are a lot of fun. Warm Winter Wishes, Winter Blend, Hot Cocoa. I love this little snowman here. Snowballs for sale. Make your own 10 cents. The back is a aqua, kind of blue-green print with the plus signs. And then we have this gorgeous snowflake on the dark navy blue and a wood grain on the back. This one's called Frosted Flurries. One more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive 1/3 a pack of the ephemera, so these will vary. I love this. Take Me to the Mountains. Baby, it's Nope outside, which is my sentiments exactly. You'll also receive a row of enamel dots, so these colors will vary among the kits, but you'll have a row of those that coordinate so well. So that is Snowed In from Echo Park. This collection is called Little Chef, and it's from Photoplay Paper. So this is really a fun idea. So if you did any baking with your kids over the holidays, this would be perfect, or if you do baking any other time. We're going to start with 2 sheets of evergreen cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Cookies, so it's all of the little iced cookies on a grid background. The back is a green with a yellow crisscross design. This one's called Frosting, it has all of the sprinkles, and the back is bags of frosting in all of the different colors on a pink background. We have this one called Sweet Stripe. Look at all those gorgeous colors. The back is a turquoise with white polka dot. It's such a fun, bright collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheets. We have lots of little word labels down here. Lick the bowl, Mommy's Little Helper, Cooking with Grandma, Kiss the Cook, Life is a Combination of Magic and Food. I agree. Love this banner right here. This is fun. The little KitchenAid, the little chef. So a really fun collection that's very different. So that's Little Chef from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is Simply the Best from Pink Fresh. And their collections are always inspirational and just uplifting and super gorgeous. This one is no exception. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Potter's Clay cardstock. Your pattern paper here is Mood Booster. And with the circles, this would be a lot of fun. Take your circle punch or fussy cut these out and do on a background. Don't fear the unknown, so special, living up to the hype. The back is like a ledger design. Love that. This paper is a lot of fun, and it's called Have Fun, so how appropriate. Has all of these different words, so you could use this as pattern paper sections or the background or something, but it'd also be a lot of fun to cut it up. And the back is this striped, so you could actually use that, take some of those colors and back it if you cut them up. I think that would be super cute. I love all the colors in this collection. This paper is called Worth the Hype, and it's the plaid, and you can see all those beautiful blues and greens. The back is a gray star print design. So you can see the back side. You can get almost 2 totally different looking collections as far as the color scheme, because this brings out the green more. It's just cute. You're going to get, for the embellishments, they'll all vary, but you're going to get half a sheet of the stickers. So I got the, looks like the top half here, if I can pick it up. Lots of different words. You're going to get 3 of the chipboard flares. So these are little like chipboard, but they're thin, so they're not going to be weighty. And then some of the frames. And I love how this has that pop of red, that orangey red in here. So that is Simply the Best from Pink Fresh. One more look at your 4 collections and the flavors of the month. Don't forget that we have 3 add-ons to coordinate with this, so if you want more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments, check out those videos here. Also, the Shots of Life coordinate, so it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have a lot of fun. I want to thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.